How to call someone on Grindr. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to call someone on Grindr. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Grindr on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can visit their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Grindr dashboard, just click inbox right here beside the browse section, and as you can see, all of your messages, all of people that you made conversation with will appear right here. And apparently, even if you click them, there will be no calling button, just like the calling button on other messaging apps, just like Messenger. There's no actually a call button that lets you have a video call with someone. And yeah, that's the only catch. But there's a alternate way to actually indirectly video call a person on Grindr, because on the chat section, when you are typing a message to someone, as you can see on the text box, on below the text box, you will see a camera icon that lets you send a video file to your friend, to the people that you're texting with. And rightly there, you can just take a video with your face and then say anything, whatever you want to say to your friend. And after you're done, just send the video file to your friend. And yeah, that's it. That's the indirect way to have some video call with someone, by just sharing your video message. And yeah, that's it. That's the only way to do it. And that's it. That's all for this tutorial. And if you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.